experiment here. So I unscrewed this thing off of the bottom of the binocular microscope head, and then I JB welded it directly to this piece of the microscope. And when it dries in about 24 hours, I'm going to take it. I aligned it perfectly. Once it dries though, it takes 24 hours since it's a really strong glue, but it takes a really long time. I am going to take it and I am going to reassemble the microscope. While it was drying, when it was almost dry, I put it all back together, and the glue was like almost dry, so you could still move it around a little bit, and I perfectly aligned it to the 100x lens, which is the smallest, so that it will work. And that was a necessary step, and I reassembled the microscope, and here it is. Anyway, let's see how it works. Here it is at 64x magnification. Also, I bought these 16x magnification Amscope lenses. It's 16x. The reason I bought them is because this combined with the 100x creates 1600x, which is pretty much as close as you could possibly get. The maximum effective magnification of a bright field microscope is 1500x. This creates 1600x. So it's close enough that I'm hoping that it will work. But anyway, 160x magnification. I don't think it's perfectly... 16 times 40 is, this is 640x, I think. 40 times 16. And 1600x. I can't freaking get it in focus. Oh, I can get it in focus, but it's so dark because this lighting system, as you can see, I'm only using 14 volts. It's just not bright enough. I had to mod this lift system to be a little bit finer adjustment. And so yeah. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and this was dog columnar epithelium.